A Bengaluru businessman's unusual stunt involving a luxury sports car recently went viral on social media. Akhil Yadav, owner of H1 Car Detailing Factory, shared a video on Instagram showing himself using the bonnet of his Porsche as a makeshift cement mixer to repair a pothole. In the video, Yadav poured cement and water directly onto the bonnet of his high-end sports car, mixed the slurry with a spade and used it to fill a pothole on a city road. The act initially appeared to be a symbolic protest against Bengaluru's deteriorating road infrastructure. However, Yadav later clarified that this stunt was not carried out solely to promote his showroom. He said he had seen many reactions and comments on social media and that he respects both those who praised and those who criticized his video. According to him, the primary intention was to highlight the problems around him and draw attention to issues he personally observed and experienced. He also explained that since his business focuses on protecting cars, he used that concept to demonstrate the durability of the paint protection film applied to his vehicle. By mixing abrasive cement on the car's surface, he aimed to show that the protective layer could prevent damage to the paintwork. The video received mixed reactions online, with some praising the stunt as a creative way to highlight the city's pothole crisis, while others dismissed it as a publicity exercise. Yadav, however, maintained that criticism does not concern him much and emphasized that the video was not made against the government or officials. Instead, he said the effort was meant to highlight a civic issue and encourage citizens to take proactive steps in caring for their surroundings rather than relying solely on authorities.